We officially have found our apartment. I think it still feels weird. What the Finch? Welcome to our lazy Sunday. I just filmed a house tour. If you haven't seen that yet, go check it out. Disc golf has become a very big part of Nick's life. I hate it. For me, I hate it. I hate playing it. And I like a lot of sports and I like learning new things. And this is the one that I just don't think is very fun. So we're out here trying to change that. Look at it. Oh yeah.
Just a little warm up. Follow through. Yep, spin around. Okay. A little tree action. Happens to the best of us. So just give yourself. Yep, way more that way because it's gonna come back left. There you go.
Whoa. The fact that I even threw one that went.
Look at the roll. There you go.
The fact that mine even went that far or like that high or anything is miraculous. What's up everybody? Happy Tuesday. Very exciting announcement for today. Weird because it hasn't really hit me yet because this is just the most unique situation for me, I guess. Nick and I applied, well, we actually applied for a couple apartments. We were in this weird limbo where we realized we're a little bit too early actually, like we're still 2 months out. And so we lost out, like we lost a couple of them to applicants who just wanted to move sooner than us. But then we kept coming back to this one that I really didn't love at first. It's just very outdated and not super cute in certain parts of it, but the location is so prime. I just kept coming back to it. We toured this super nice, like updated one in another area that was a good price. And it's like, my mind just could not get over the amazing location of the other one. It's in Santa Monica. So we finally decided like, let's just apply for it because something was telling me to just like not give up on that one. And I was already getting kind of sick of the process and just, I realized that I wasn't gonna find anything much nicer in Santa Monica for our budget. And it would be really nice to have an extra room for like an office. So we ended up coming back to it and applying. I don't even know how it's still on the market. Maybe because of the same reasons that I didn't like it, but things keep getting snatched up. Anyway, we applied and we actually got approved. And so this all happened very fast where I'm like, wait, are we gonna move there? But like, we're gonna move there. So we officially have found our apartment. I think it still feels weird to say, but like, yes, we're about to pay today for like the first month's rent. The downside is that we really wanted to move 10/1 because my lease is up October 10th, but we actually have to pay for September 1st. So we are paying double rent for a month, which sucks. But on the other hand, I'm trying to think of the positives. Like, we'll just know where we're living. It'll be totally stress-free. There are also some kind of like renter-friendly renovations that I want to make to this unit, like potentially painting accent walls or changing light fixtures, things like that. So this will give us plenty of time to like not stress, be able to do that, be able to pack up this whole house slowly and over time. And I think another plus of it is just like, there's so much that I'm gonna have to do to prepare to move. And I don't even understand yet how much, because it's all of the packing, potentially selling furniture that I don't need. And then also like changing all of my addresses on literally everything I have, credit cards, insurance, PR, packages. Like, I've lived here for 4 years, so a lot of things have this address on file. So I need to really go in and change those, change my driver's license, do all this stuff, shut off all the utilities. So I'm honestly not mad. Like, I wish that we weren't paying an extra month, but I'm also like, you know what? We won't have to stress as much, so whatever. So we found our place. I can't even believe I'm saying it. It'll probably hit me more in future vlogs. But today I am actually going to go pick up the keys. We haven't signed the lease yet, so I'm gonna pick up the keys and go do a walkthrough and just like make sure that everything's functioning. They did say like in writing and out loud that anything that's not functioning they'll fix, but I just like to be very on top of that and like not sign anything until I know that it's fully in working order. So I'm gonna go over there. I'm also gonna take some measurements of the rooms and the certain areas because we basically need to figure out like, what do we want in this house? Can I fit my couch? Probably not, which makes me really, really sad, but we'll see. So I'm gonna go pick up the keys and then I'm actually getting a COVID test. It's ironic, I scheduled this COVID test because I am traveling home to Seattle for just a week to like see my family, see my mom. And then I was like, I should just get a COVID test anyway. I'm fully vaccinated, but I just figured why not? And then yesterday I woke up with a little tickle in my throat that like went away, and I think it's because Nick has been leaving his air conditioner on at night like super high, and I will wake up like really freezing because the second I wake up and kind of like leave his house, I feel fine. But it's a good thing I'm getting a COVID test because I guess you never know. So, and luckily when I pick up the keys and everything today, like I won't be seeing anyone, so it's all good. That's what we have on the agenda for today. Basically, pick up keys, COVID test, do a walkthrough, take some measurements, and then really just start thinking about accent walls, painting, renovations, like what we want to do to the space, buying an air conditioning unit, and then that's pretty much it. So let's just get into it. I just picked up the keys for the apartment to do a walkthrough. I had a bit of a dilemma. I'll tell you about it later. It's not that important. Besides, I really thought I was gonna get screwed with this like parking ticket situation that I got. Anyway, I'm good, so no need to even discuss. Ladies and gentlemen, I is here. I am at the place that we are gonna move into, but it is a bright open space right now. First order of attack, I'm going to take, actually, first I'm gonna make sure everything's functioning the way that it should be. The rooms are bigger than I remember, that's really nice. Then I'm going to take a bunch of pictures of everything and measure the walls. So we're just gonna get right on to it. Okay, it's honestly not that bad. Now that I know that we're like living here, I'm not super mad at it. I mean, it's still not ideal, but you know. Nice. Boom, boom, functioning, great. I definitely want to replace that, but whatever. Great. Okay. I do like the built-in cutting board. Great. Who knew measuring would be so exhausting? I'm basically done now. I just need to measure the patio and then I'm good. I'm getting excited. Wow, you are a stunner. We have a place.
We are moving in together.
Ah! It's not too late to back out.
Yeah, it is.
Yeah, it is. I already paid.
Too late. I can back out anytime. I haven't paid.
Wow. That's actually so sketchy. You could be like, just kidding. And I would be like, oh my God, now I'm stuck with all the rent.
Awkward. I'll do it.
Okay.
I'll stick with you, babe.
Okay. Are you regretting it yet?
Not at all.
Duh.
Never, ever, ever.